Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. So today's recipe is Pico De Gallo, and I have all my ingredients ready. Right here I have tomato, onions, green onions, cilantro, I have some chili peppers, also lime juice and some salt. And for bonus, I'm gonna add some avocado. It's really delicious. So guys, let's dive into the video. Enjoy. And guys, you can eat this with anything, any and everything. It is so delicious. And that lime taste with a little pinch of salt, give it a nice kick. Stay tuned, guys. So what I do, I cut the pepper and I take out all the seeds, because with the seeds it's really spicy and I don't like too much spice anymore. So I take out all the seeds and I dice up the green onions. You just dice them up fine, really fine. You mince them really fine so they're easier to chew. And also the cilantro, you just cut everything up really fine, really small, and put everything together. It's my first time making Pico De Gallo, and it turned out really great. It's very simple. You can eat it with anything. A lot of you guys know I just went plant-based, and I am just trying everything. As long as it's from the earth and it's plant, I'm gonna try it. So, and that's the onion. I just diced up the onion really small and put everything in the bowl. And what I do, I prep. I make sure I do my meal prep so I don't eat anything, any and everything. So I make sure I fix my meal at a time so I can always stay on track. I don't crave meat no more. I don't crave refined carbs no more. It was an easy transition for me. A lot of people ask me, was it hard? It wasn't that hard to switch from my old lifestyle to a brand new lifestyle. It was easy for me because I've been trying for years to eat healthy. I've been struggling with my weight, and I just couldn't do it by myself because I would go back to eating meat. So what I did, I went to a lifestyle center, and they help you to walk away from the Western diet. So now I'm eating from the earth, because the earth is the fullness, yes. And God prepared everything on here for us. But we're human, and we always want more. So we start doing whatever feels good to us. And a lot of the food that I was eating, it was just for comfort. And now I look back, I'm like, why did I eat that? But those foods are comfort food. They comfort you. They're not good for your body in any way, but they comfort you. So guys, this is my dinner. This is what my dinner looks like. And I love it. I feel better. I feel lighter. I feel better mentally, emotionally, spiritually, everything. So with the food that you eat matters. Whatever you put in your body, it matters. But this is what my dinner looked like, guys. And that's the finishing product of the Pico De Gallo. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please like. If you like the video, please like it. Give it a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please subscribe. So that's homemade hummus, and I prepare everything ahead of time. And I'm having this with hair fry tofu. It was really delicious. Try it, guys. And all you have to do is just prepare your meal ahead of time, so you'll always have something to eat when you're hungry. And for me, I just eat twice a day. I eat breakfast. And if you notice, this is my dinner and there's no fruits in it. I always eat fruits and vegetable. But now I understand that fruit doesn't go with vegetable.